So first things first, a circle. Should know what a circle is. To name a circle though, we name it by the center point. So this is circle P, named by the center point. And then radius is halfway across the circle, or the distance from the center to the outside. It's abbreviated R. And diameter is all the way across the circle, and it gets abbreviated D often. Concentric circles is when you have one circle inside the other or one circle outside the other, however you want to think of it. And then a central angle would be an angle that goes from the center to the outside of the circle like that. And then we have minor and major arc, which we'll get to tomorrow. But a minor arc would be like less than halfway around the circle, and then major arc would be more than halfway around the circle. And semicircle is half a circle, half a circle, or like hemisphere kind of thing, like half. I guess not hemispheres, because hemisphere would be a sphere. But semicircle, half a circle. Then congruent circles would be two circles that are the same size. And if they have the same dimensions, then they would be the same size. So if their radiuses are the same, then they are the same size. Inscribed angle is an angle inside, so inscribed means on the inside. So inscribed angle would be on the inside of the circle. And then inscribed polygon would be on the inside of the polygon. So if we highlight this, it's a shape on the inside of the circle. And then circumscribed circle. Circumscribed is on the outside. And then circumscribed angle is an angle on the outside of the circle like that. So those are some key vocabulary words. And then we are going to actually move to the front page. So on the front page, right here, I need you to fill this in. Make sure you put your name, date, class period. And then another new word is tangent. Tangent, a line is tangent to a circle if and only if the line is perpendicular to the radius of the circle. So a tangent line right here, this would be our tangent line. Tangent line. And what makes it a tangent is it is perpendicular. It's perpendicular to the radius, so it makes this 90-degree angle. And then also, point of tangency is another vocabulary word. This point of tangency is right here. It's where it intersects with the circle. So that says point of tangency. So a tangent line intersects with a circle at one specific point, and then it will be perpendicular to the radius. Okay, and then the other idea that will come up in this lesson is tangent segments from a common external point are congruent. So a common external point, like point S, and then we have a tangent line right here, and a tangent line right here. It's just a line that intersects with the circle at one point. If it's coming from a common external point, then those lines are congruent, and then we'll use that in some of our calculations today. So like RS is equal in length to TS. Okay, so then we are going to transition over. Everybody got it? Okay, we're moving over to the top of 10.1 practice right here.